It's day 10 of the farmers' protest where they continue to camp on Delhi's borders. There are many volunteers who have stepped in to help the farmers with supplies. Akshay Dongre reports on how farmers are sustaining their protest against the farm laws.
The agitation of farmers from Haryana and Punjab near the borders of Delhi has been going on for more than a week, but what it seems from here near the Tikri border is that the police is now trying to cut down on the supply lines of the farmers. So we'll go and show you how exactly the farmers are sustaining their protest and what exactly is the arrangement that they have made as far as the supply of the basic needs are concerned.
More than an estimated 10,000 farmers, mostly from Haryana and Punjab, are camping on the Rohtak highway up to the border in West Delhi. They are prepared for the long run, they say, with volunteers stepping in, helping with supplies.
2000 पैकेट है दूध के
फ्री दे रहे हो आप?
फ्री दे रहे हैं।
अच्छा, हर 2 दिन के बाद देते हो?
हर 2 दिन के बाद, हर एक दिन के बाद।
हर एक दिन
आज कल नहीं, फिर परसों फिर दे देंगे।
अच्छा,
आज दूध दे देंगे, कल सब्जी दे देंगे, आटा दे देंगे, फल दे देंगे, केले।
क्यों दे रहे हो?
अब दूध और लस्सी है।
नहीं, क्यों दे रहे हो?
ये हम इनकी मदद करें, हमारे किसान भाई है इसलिए।
Siddharth Rathi, a resident of Haryana, is organizing langars at the protest site. His US-based family has committed to donating 1 crore rupees for the protest.
रोज 50-60 हज़ार रुपए का खर्चा तो लग ही जाता है। बाकी कोई एस्टिमेट नहीं लगाते कि भाई इतना लगाना है या कोई भी। जितने भी किसान भाई यहाँ पे लंगर छकने आते हैं तो उनके लिए पूरी मदद की जाती है। जी, ये प्रोटेस्ट अगर 1 महीना चलेगा, 6 महीना चलेगा, 1 साल चलेगा, 5 साल चलेगा, ये लंगर सेवा बंद नहीं होगी।
From solar panels to water tanks, the farmers have prepped their vehicles.
मॉडिफाई किया आपने इस प्रोटेस्ट के चलते?
जी,
अच्छा,
मॉडिफाई तो पहले का रखा है, बट ये जो 3 प्लेटें लगाई है, ये सिर्फ इसी के रिगार्डिंग लगाई है ताकि
के लिए मोबाइल के।
हाँ, मोबाइल चार्जिंग के पर्पज के लिए।
To fulfill the need of fresh vegetables, farmers from neighboring villages of Haryana have taken responsibility of the supply.
ਪੰਜਾਬ ਤੇ ਹਰਿਆਣਾ ਸਮਾਨ ਦੇ ਰਿਹਾ, ਜੋ ਦੇ ਰਿਹਾ ਸਬਜ਼ੀ ਫ੍ਰੀ ਦੇ ਰਿਹਾ ਸਭ ਕੁਝ। ਅੱਛਾ, ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਕੰਮ ਚੱਲ ਰਿਹਾ। ਹਰਿਆਣੇ ਵਾਲੇ ਦੁੱਧ ਵੀ ਦੇ ਰਹੇ ਆ, ਦਹੀਂ ਵੀ ਦੇ ਰਹੇ ਆ, ਲੱਸੀ ਵੀ ਦੇ ਰਹੇ ਆ। ਐਸੇ ਜੋ ਕਿਸਾਨ ਆ ਜਾਂ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਤੋਂ ਉਹ ਆਪਣਾ ਪ੍ਰਬੰਧ ਵੀ ਆਪ ਕਰਕੇ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਇਆ, ਘੱਟ ਤੋਂ ਘੱਟ 6 ਮਹੀਨੇ ਦਾ।
As a lot of protesters have converged at these protest sites, so how do they sustain their protests without resting? So the protesters have come all prepared. This can be called a mini dharamshala. Approximately 200 people can rest here at nights. You can see this is one layer. Above this also arrangements have been made so that people can sleep in this truck only, and I'll just like to show you what exactly is the situation underneath this truck. So there are arrangements, there are mattresses that have been laid there, so people can easily sleep. Approximately 200 people can sleep in these kind of trucks that have been brought all the way from Punjab.
The farmers claim they will not go back till the time centre repeals the farm laws. And while the morale of the farmers is high, the outpouring love from the entire society is only making their resolve stronger with each passing day. With Ravish Ranjan Shukla, Sudesh Ram and Akshay Dongre in Delhi, Rohit Wellington for NDTV.